Alrighty, Darren, here's your small block Ford. Just got done running it. Give you a description of this combination. It's got our cylinder heads on it. Obviously, it's a Borla setup. Blacked out throttle bodies. Got the Shelby valve covers. Fuel management Terminator X Holley. Great system. Front end on it. So custom ground hydraulic roller. Take you in there, show you how to run. Alrighty, 3,500, 484 foot-pounds of torque, peaks torque 513, peaks horsepower 500. So we're rated at 500. It's got a front end on it, so everything's great. We'll get her off there in a crate. Come your way. Have a great day.